Imagine walking into the spa and walking out with a $200 massage you didn't pay for, or opening your cabin door to find champagne and canapes waiting for you, completely free. These aren't daydreams. They're real perks available on most cruises, and I'm about to show you how to claim them. In this video, I'm revealing 12 cruise freebies the lines don't advertise, and definitely don't want you to know about. From hidden loyalty benefits to secret room swaps, these are the hacks that turn an ordinary vacation into a VIP experience. By the end, you'll know exactly what to ask, when to ask, and how to unlock a treasure chest of free perks at sea, without spending an extra dime. So grab a pen, because you won't want to miss these. 1. Off-menu freedom. One of the best-kept dining secrets at sea is the freedom to go completely off-menu. Most passengers assume they're limited to the dishes printed in front of them, but cruise chefs are trained to handle special requests with surprising flexibility. Want to mix items from lunch and dinner? Craving a dish you saw on yesterday's menu? Even curious about a custom creation? All you have to do is ask. The magic phrase is, "Could you check with the kitchen if I can order off menu tonight?" You'll be amazed at how often the answer is yes. And when that special plate arrives at your table, it's not just food, it's an experience. You'll feel like a regular at a 5-star restaurant, dining on something no one else around you even thought to order. This little request transforms a standard meal into a personal culinary moment, without adding a single dollar to your bill. 2. Special occasion desserts and drinks. Cruise lines absolutely love celebrating milestones, but here's the secret. They only know if you tell them. Birthdays, anniversaries, honeymoons, graduations. Any occasion can unlock a surprising wave of complimentary treats. I'm talking about personalized cakes delivered right to your dinner table, glasses of champagne appearing in your cabin, or even a surprise room decoration that makes your voyage unforgettable. The key is in how you phrase it. Simply say, "We're celebrating an occasion. What can you do to make it special?" Staff are trained to go the extra mile when it comes to celebrations, and they have discretionary budgets to make guests feel like VIPs. On my honeymoon, just mentioning the occasion earned us complimentary sparkling wine and a surprise upgrade to a better cabin. These little moments create big memories. So don't be shy, share your reason to celebrate, and let the cruise line add their own magic touch. 3. Suite and cabin amenity extras. Here's a secret that even experienced cruisers miss. When you book a suite, or even a mini suite, there are hidden perks included that don't automatically appear. Daily canapes, evening cocktails, upgraded toiletries, even priority reservations for specialty dining can all be part of your cabin tier. But the cruise line won't spell it out for you. Unless you ask, many of these amenities stay tucked away. The magic phrase is, "What complimentary amenities are included with my cabin tier?" Often, your steward or butler will reveal an entire list of extras you never knew were yours to claim. Imagine returning to your suite to find a tray of gourmet snacks or discovering that premium coffees are included just for your room category. It's about more than free items. It's about feeling like you're living the suite life to its fullest. You paid for the upgrade, so make sure you actually enjoy every perk. 4. Activity and trivia points. Hidden within the daily schedule is a treasure hunt few passengers take seriously: activity and trivia points. These little rewards might seem like just fun tokens at first, but they add up quickly, and by the end of your cruise, you can redeem them for real prizes. We're talking branded merchandise, t-shirts, mugs, even cruise line souvenirs that other guests pay for in the gift shop. The trick is to ask up front. Say, "Which activities today earn redeemable points, and where do I collect them?" Suddenly, your trivia game, dance class, or poolside competition isn't just entertainment, it's a path to freebies. It transforms participation into a kind of playful investment. And the more you join in, the richer the payoff at the end. It's not just about winning, It's about collecting memories with tangible souvenirs that you earn simply by having fun along the way. 5. Shopping presentation gifts. Here's a cruise hack that feels almost too easy. Free gifts for simply showing up. Throughout your voyage, the ship hosts shopping presentations designed to showcase jewelry, clothing, and duty-free deals. Most passengers skip them, but what they don't realize is that attendance often comes with a little reward. Think charms, necklaces, tote bags, or t-shirts, handed out just for sitting through the event. To unlock these perks, ask, are there shopping presentations with complimentary gifts this week? You'll often find a schedule of giveaways hiding in plain sight. And while the shopping talk itself might encourage you to browse, there's no obligation to buy. These freebies can make great keepsakes or even thoughtful gifts to take back home. It's one of the simplest ways to walk away with extra value. No games, no contests, just a small slice of treasure for a few minutes of your time. 6. Environmental and sustainability rewards. Cruise lines are leaning into eco-friendly initiatives, and savvy passengers can turn that into unexpected perks. By joining sustainability-focused programs, you may receive complimentary items like refillable water bottles, tote bags, or even exclusive access to eco-excursions. Some ships reward guests who participate in green activities, like towel reuse programs or recycling challenges, with priority reservations for dining or events. The key is simply asking, what complimentary sustainability activities are available on this cruise? Suddenly, you're not only doing something good for the planet, you're also opening the door to thoughtful extras. Imagine sipping from a stylish cruise-branded bottle you received for free, or scoring a spot on a smaller, eco-conscious shore tour before it sells out. These little touches create a win-win. You contribute to the ship's environmental efforts while gaining unique benefits. It feels less like a perk and more like being part of a movement with special privileges built in. 7. Embarkation Spa Raffles. Embarkation day is usually a whirlwind, boarding, unpacking, and rushing to the sail-away party. But hidden in those first few hours is one of the best-kept secrets on board, the spa raffle. On day 1, the spa invites passengers to tour the facilities, and at the end, they hold a complimentary raffle for treatments. Fewer people attend because most guests are too busy exploring the ship, which means your chances of winning a free massage, facial, or treatment skyrocket. All you have to do is ask, can I tour the spa and enter today's complimentary raffle? Even if you don't win, you often walk away with discount vouchers or product samples. Imagine starting your cruise with a free massage instead of the stress of embarkation. What a way to set the tone for your entire voyage. This is the kind of secret that feels less like luck and more like strategy. 8. Free spa and gym classes. Cruise fitness centers are full of hidden gems, and many passengers miss out because they don't know where to look. Beyond the paid programs, most ships quietly offer a lineup of complimentary classes. We're talking morning yoga, stretching sessions, core workouts, and even wellness seminars that never make it into the main schedule. The only way to find them is to ask directly, are there complimentary fitness or wellness classes this sailing? The answer is often yes, and attending is a great way to kickstart your health goals while at sea. These free sessions also help you connect with like-minded passengers and explore the ship's wellness culture without spending a dime. Instead of just walking past the gym, you get a chance to be part of something energizing. It's a perk that boosts your body, clears your mind, and helps you balance indulgence with well-being throughout the cruise. 9. Celebration upgrade system. Upgrades aren't just about luck, they're about timing and communication. Cruise lines love to recognize special milestones, and if you're celebrating one, you may be entitled to more than just a cake. Guests marking honeymoons, anniversaries, or milestone birthdays sometimes receive room upgrades, surprise gifts, or onboard credit. The secret is to plant the seed early and often. Let your travel agent know when booking, and then remind your cabin steward or guest services once on board. This creates a record of your celebration across departments. It doesn't guarantee an upgrade, but it puts you in the pool of passengers the cruise line may want to surprise. Think of it as stacking the deck in your favor. And when it happens, whether it's a better view, a larger cabin, or an unexpected perk, it turns your milestone into a memory that feels priceless. Sometimes, all it takes is speaking up. 10. Quiet time room swaps. Not every cabin is as peaceful as you hope. Maybe you're near the anchor, under the pool deck, or beside a noisy service area. Most passengers just put up with it, but here's the secret. Many ships quietly allow complimentary room swaps if a better cabin is available. All you have to do is walk to guest services and politely ask, "My cabin location isn't ideal. Are there complimentary upgrade options?" You'd be surprised how often they can accommodate. Cruise lines would rather move you than risk complaints or negative reviews. Even a small shift down the hall can transform your nights from restless to restful. Imagine trading constant thumping for calm seas and gentle sleep. It's one of the simplest upgrades you'll ever get, and it doesn't cost a dime. Comfort is king at sea, and the smartest cruisers know they never have to settle for noise. 11. Hidden loyalty benefits. Loyalty programs are advertised as straightforward, priority boarding, maybe a welcome gift, but the truth runs much deeper. Cruise lines rarely hand you the full list of perks, and many passengers never realize what they're missing. Depending on your tier, you could be entitled to complimentary laundry service, specialty dining nights, access to exclusive cocktail parties, or even cabin upgrades. The only way to uncover these hidden gems is to ask, "What's the full list of perks of my loyalty status on this ship?" Each vessel can have slightly different offerings, and crew members won't volunteer information unless prompted. That means benefits worth hundreds of dollars often go unclaimed. Don't let that be you. These perks aren't favors, they're rewards you've already earned. By speaking up, you turn your loyalty points into real experiences that make your cruise smoother, more luxurious, and far more rewarding than the brochure suggests. 12. Loyalty Program Transition Loophole. The cruise industry is in the middle of a major shift. Most lines are revamping loyalty programs between 2025 and 2026. And while that may confuse the average passenger, it creates a golden window of opportunity for you. During transitions, staff are instructed to keep guests happy, which often means honoring both old and new benefits to avoid complaints. That could double your perks if you know the right words to use. Simply ask, "Can I claim benefits from both the old and new loyalty programs?" In many cases, the answer will be yes. We're talking about stacking old rewards like free laundry or drink vouchers with new perks like dining credits or bonus points. This loophole won't last forever, but while it does, it's one of the easiest ways to maximize your status without spending a cent. Smart cruisers see confusion not as a problem, but as an opening. So now you know. These insider secrets aren't random luck, they're proven strategies to unlock free perks and VIP treatment at sea. The only question is, which of these 12 freebies are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below, because I'd love to feature the best hacks in my next video. And if you found real value here, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to share this video with more cruisers who deserve to know these secrets, too. And of course, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss my next video, because smart cruisers don't just sail, they sail smarter.